Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be doing a fashion would you rather video. I totally copied this idea from Emma Chamberlain. She does some fun like fashion stuff on her podcast, and I'm just here to translate it to YouTube, I guess. So this will be a chill video. I am obviously trying to pre-record a lot before I give birth. We're trying out some different videos and all that kind of stuff, but this should be a fun one. So I just asked you guys on Instagram to send me fashion would you rathers, and I did it this way instead of using hers because her fashion would you rathers, some of them had to do with like shoots and just things that I like couldn't relate to, so that's what we're doing. Let's just see what we got. It should be fun and like a Q&A, but fun and not about me, only about fashion. Would you rather never wear jeans again or only wear jeans forever as your only pant option? So I'm counting this as I get to wear like skirts still and dresses because those aren't pants. So the only things I'm really losing are joggers, trousers, khakis, oh my like striped pajama pants, which I'm so obsessed with right now, and like linen pants I don't really wear too much anymore, leather pants, like my printed pants that are leather. So we're losing a lot of pants, but my idea is if I get to wear jeans, I get to wear blue jeans, black jeans, white jeans, cream jeans, any kind of color jeans, and also like printed jeans, printed denim. It just has to be denim. So I'd 100% go with jeans. I miss jeans so much right now also because I'm pregnant and I never bought maternity jeans. I just didn't feel like spending money on a pair of pants that weren't gonna fit me after. I'm trying to wear pants that, you know, have some stretch and I can wear postpartum, and so I miss jeans so badly that jeans. This one's from Susie Lola on YouTube. She said cowboy boots or basket bags. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know I'm obsessed with both cowboy boots and baskets. Hi. No, you're okay. Now you're really not in it, but now my messy bud's on it.
Make it?
No, it's okay. They don't care.
I'll make it.
No, you're fine. So would I rather only have basket bags or cowboy boots? This one seems really hard because I haven't been wearing my cowboy boots because my feet are so swollen from being pregnant and my calves that they just like don't fit. But the basket bag I've been wearing a lot. Oh my God. In this moment, I would choose the basket bag. That's crazy, but I'd probably regret it and want to choose the cowboy boots, but I'm gonna go with right now, I would choose the basket bag. Okay, would you rather only share pics of your outfits or only show them in real life? This would seem like a really easy one to everyone else and just say only wear them in real life. But you guys, the way that I dress in like sweatpants and a hoodie most days, and the days I do wear cute outfits, I always post it because I'm like, oh, if I'm gonna wear a cute outfit, I'm gonna like get a picture in it and post it because that's my job. I'd probably rather only share cute outfits online than wear them in real life. That's pretty crazy, but I just don't do much, so it's like fine. It would just be art at that point. I wonder if my outfits would get really crazy then, like my online outfits. Because I don't just put on an outfit and take a photo. I'm not that type of person because I want my outfits to be realistic and look realistic. Would you rather only buy new or buy secondhand? You guys already know, buy secondhand. I would say 90% of my closet is secondhand. The items are just better quality, they're more unique. I don't get sick of them, they're sentimental. Even my daughter's closet is already, I would say 99% secondhand. She's not even born yet. Heels or platforms? So would you rather only wear heels or only wear platforms? 1000% heels. I love a good kitten heel and like stiletto, chunky heel. I don't really like platforms. Would you rather only be able to wear Nike or Adidas for the rest of your life? I feel like 5 years ago I would have said Nike. I wasn't really a big Adidas fan, but I only have one pair of Nike shoes now, my Nike P6000s. I have like little Adidas slides that I've had for going on like 7 years. Adidas Sambas, obviously. Like Adidas Gazelles are so cute as well. And then I feel like Adidas clothes are just cooler than Nike clothes. Not that I have really either, but Adidas is definitely like more trendy right now than Nike, I feel like. I would lose my Nike P6000s though, and you guys know how much I love those. Oh my God, this one's hard. Would you rather never thrift again or never wear denim again? I love denim. Oh my God. And okay, well, if thrifting also counts as like eBay, Depop, Poshmark, I would never wear denim again. And that would suck because even now, not wearing jeans really, I still have like denim skirts and denim like jackets that I wear. That'd be awful. Would you rather only wear mittens or gloves? Mittens. Scarves or earmuffs? scarves. Would you rather be the model or the stylist? I actually hate being on camera, which is funny that I'm a YouTuber and like take Instagram photos and stuff like that, but definitely the stylist. I just like putting together outfits and sharing them. I think being a stylist would definitely be something I'd like want to do if YouTube fails. An all denim outfit or an all leather outfit? Denim. I'm such a sucker for denim on denim. I also think it can be dressed down a lot easier, and I tend to dress more casual. Like denim on denim with sneakers. Honestly, leather on leather with sneakers is pretty cute too, but it just doesn't seem as comfy as denim on denim. Denim on denim can be so comfy. Like if you have a good denim that you've worn in and is like secondhand. Would you rather only wear skirts for the rest of your life or pants/jeans? Pants and jeans. I like skirts, but really only maxi skirts. And sometimes they can still feel a little bit like Amish to me. They have to be done a certain way. Pants and jeans, you can wear so many ways and always looks good. A lot of people said, would you rather wear Galaxy leggings or jeggings? I feel like, is this even like a thought? Like, I would never ever wear Galaxy leggings. I didn't like them the first time around. I don't like them now. Jeggings, at least like I liked them at one point, and I think if I wore them with like boots and tucked in. Jeggings, I mean the ones with like the painted on like pockets that are fake and all that, they are pretty bad, but you can style around them and like they don't look offensive. It's just kind of, they're boring. Galaxy leggings are offensive and I hate them, but yeah, jeggings, you can like make them look super normal. I don't like skinny jeans or jeggings is because they're pretty boring. I think a wide leg pant just adds a lot more to an outfit than a legging or a jegging. Would you rather always be underdressed or overdressed? This is actually one that was from Emma's podcast, Anything Goes, and I would say underdressed. I think that's what she said. Actually, I don't go to that many fancy things. So my overdressed would be like being overdressed for the grocery store or overdressed for birthday party, going out at night, going on a walk. Like those overdressed, it's not that hard to be overdressed. So actually, I'd rather be overdressed. The thing I think about is like being comfortable and confident. And I'm mostly just most comfortable and most confident in baggy clothes, but I can be overdressed in baggy clothes. For me, overdressed. That's surprising. Would you rather dress unapologetically out there clothes or dress in your comfort zone outfits? 1000% comfort zone. I am a sucker for wanting to stay in my comfort zone. It makes me feel more confident, like myself. I'm not thinking about my outfit. I'm thinking about just enjoying moments and living real life. So 1000%, I like to stay in my comfort zone. And my comfort zone can be a little out there anyways. Would you rather always be matching with your dog or always be matching with your partner? That is so funny. I like matching Brandon. I think it's funny and cute, and like if I have my Sambas on and he puts his Sambas on, I'm like, oh, we're matching. He hates it. But like fully matching him. One time I was wearing like camo pants and I wanted him to wear his camo jacket and he just wouldn't do it because he didn't want to match. So for Brandon's sake, I guess I would always want to match Ernie, and matching Ernie would just be black and white. So I guess I'd be stuck to black and white for the rest of my life, but Ernie wouldn't give me a fit about it. Okay, one more. Would you rather only wear micro trends for the rest of your life or only wear timeless pieces forever? Again, that was like an easy one, but timeless pieces. What even would be timeless though? Because I don't think anything is timeless. So I'd be curious what would like actually fall into that category, because nothing's timeless. I've talked about that a few times in my videos. But that was it for this video. I just thought it'd be fun and quick and something different. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.